He's prepared in case a monkey comes in. We've got evidence right there at any given moment. Good idea, Sultan. You never know. Okay. Thank you. Wow, look at that. You brought all these portraits back. We're glad you made it all the way back here. Yeah, well, how long has it been since we last saw you in the marketplace? 3 years old. How old are you now? 6 years old now. So it's been about 3 years or so since we last saw you guys. Yeah, you were a lot back.
Here, Greta, let me get the phone so she can take some pictures.
You just started far away. That's so cool. All right, so what's been happening? What have you missed in the last 3 years? Give us the highlights.
I can't believe you're not even staring at Jasmine. He's been talking about you the
There
entire
you go, Princess
trip.
Jasmine. Now he's more matured now. He's got his eye on more finer things, being the Sultan of the palace, right? Yes, sitting on that throne and saying, "Servants, bring me my golden camels." Right? Or at least having your sister here try to bring you golden camels. Oh, is it your friend? Yeah, come over here. You gotta sit here too. Oh, yeah, right. So now, you've taken 3 whole years to kind of just learn a couple things now. You're playing the magic carpet. Right? Did you think maybe you're going to take your own magic carpet someday and fly around the world? Yeah, what's the best one to say? What was that? Never had a friend like me. Genie loves that one too, because he sings it. But mostly it's
That's his favorite song.
Yep. Okay. All right. We gotta get you guys then. Fly a magic carpet. We'll sing a couple great songs.
Who is that?
Yeah. Love that too, right?
Who is that?
Here, we'll
I'm
speak together.
super nervous. All right, picture you
Right
guys.
over there.
Oh, we're filming. We just want to.
Got it.
Oh, can we get one with all of us?
Yes. Here, we'll squeeze